Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love, crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love, crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love.
So what we are doing today is we're changing the bearings on our left and our right side. The biggest point is that the right one, which is this, have play. And now on the hand have already play, but then you can imagine how much play he have it on the car, and you feel this, and also it's really noisy. And the car have 210,000 kilometers, and probably is the first one which is changed. Now I'm changing both left and right, and I think in a couple of months I will do also the rear one, when I will do the service on the rear. So yeah, this is what we are doing today. We beat down this was on this side, and it looks a little bit better than this. So yeah, what we will actually do now, we need to clean first, because you see that it's rusty everywhere. So you need first to clean, that you can then fix a little bit. I put always a little bit grease, so that doesn't get stuck, and that is really nice inside. So this is what we are doing today, and it's also good to do on your car.
I was out of you.